You're probably wondering how I got here. Hey y'all, it's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect, and I am coming to you today with another unboxing video. If you are subscribed to my channel and you are coming back to enjoy more of my content, hey girl, hey. If you are new to my channel and this is your first time seeing any of my content, welcome. Just go ahead and make yourself at home. Click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell to stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. Yes, so today's video is brought to you by a birthday coupon. Literally, okay? That's the only reason why I'm doing this video today, is because I had a coupon. If you know, you know. If you don't know, let me just go ahead and put you on game. Whenever you sign up under a company subscription, you know, to get that initial extra percentage off coupon that they promise you whenever you sign up for an email or a text notification or something like that, if you hold on to that subscription until your birthday month, if it's a good company, they will send you a coupon or they'll send you a free gift offer, something to that effect, thanking you for, you know, supporting their brand. And so this bag, again, was brought to you by a birthday coupon. I am a member of the Coach Insider. So when you first go to their site, they offer you, I think it's like a 10 or 15, it's either 15 or 20% off, you know, your first order if you sign up for their email subscription. But like I said, if you hang on until around your birthday month, one of the perks is they will send you a coupon basically telling you happy birthday. Knock yourself out. Go ahead and treat yourself. So once I received the coupon, I went to the website and I really wasn't finding anything that would, you know, I was just like, yes, I need that bag. So I looked and I was like, okay, I'll just save the coupon for, you know, hold on to it for a little bit longer, because they literally give you till the end of your birthday month to use the coupon. So I was just like, all right, I'll hold it and look again in a couple days or so. And then I got a follow-up email like, hey, we saw you were on the site. Just add this to your bag and hush. Add this to your cart and hush. We know you like this bag because you've already ordered it in a different color. And so I was just like, you know what, y'all right, you right. Yeah, so if you, like I said, if you have been watching my channel, you know that I've already done an unboxing on this item in a different color. Make sure you check that out when you get a chance. I'll put a link to it in the cards up here, and then it'll also be a link to the haul in the description box below. But yes, I was really in love with the first color item that I've already done an unboxing for. I feel like it's the perfect crossbody bag ever. And I was just like, there's nothing wrong with having a lighter version of it. Both bags are neutral colors, so they pretty much match with, you know, whatever you choose to wear them with. So I was just like, okay, so this would be, you know, a great addition to my crossbody collection, a great addition to my overall bag collection. There's nothing like a coupon to, you know, make you change your mind about not wanting anything, okay? Because full price, why? It's my birthday, okay? And thank you for the coupon. So you know, it'll be a while before I purchase another bag. Like, it has to be something that I'm like really in love with. And I have a coupon, but for right now I think I'm done with buying bags. If there's anything else that I choose to invest in, I'll definitely do an unboxing for it. And yeah, but for right now, that's it as far as bags are concerned. I have my fill at this point. So yeah, so without further ado, let's just jump right into this unboxing video, shall we? We shall. So I feel like, you know, instead of calling today an unboxing, I probably should have called it an unpouching, because this time the item was not shipped in a box. It was shipped in this cardboard paperwork situation, this recycled documents. And I was just like, wait a minute, is this really what we're doing now? But I'm actually happy because that's one less box I have to break down and throw away. I can just ball this up and toss it. All right, I've already opened it, so we can kind of save ourselves some time. Let's see here. So many particles. Oh goodness, so many particles. Okay. Let me just dust off some of the recyclable debris. But here we have it. Another Coach bag production. Nicely wrapped. Y'all, it's so much dust coming out of this cardboard pouch situation. Let's see. Let's do this in the most efficient way possible. Pardon my dust, guys. Literally, like, this thing. Alright, well, this was an easy open. What do you guys think? It's cute. I think I'm feeling it more now in person than I was on the computer screen. I think I like it now. All right, so let's just open it up some more. Yes, this is a nice little cleanup, easy open, grand opening, grand closing situation. All right, I like that. Easy breezy. It's like, here, take this little bag and go. Take this little bag and hush. Let's see here. So we take off the little, what's going on the inside. Take out the stuffing. The silica gel packets. We're gonna do a deep dive into this purse. More stuffing. 1, 2, 3. Another silica packet. Let's see what's going on in the pocket. We have our care tag, authentication card, security tag. Don't forget to remove that. All right. The bag is now naked and unashamed. So let's just get a close up. So this is the Coach Jes Crossbody in signature canvas. You have your, just let them get a good look at it. We have the slip pocket in the back. Ooh. With that cognac interior to match the cognac leather. Ooh, it's very pretty. Okay. So we have the lobster claw clasp, removable crossbody strap. And we have our heavy duty Coach tag. Again, the heavy duty hardware. We have the gold zipper with the Coach engraved on the zipper. And on the lobster clasp, the knob has Coach engraved on it, and the screw at the bottom also has Coach engraved on it. Of course, we have our Coach New York logo in the front, the horse and carriage in the front. Let's open her up. Again, we have that Lovely cognac fabric interior. Large compartment number 1, large compartment number 2 with the extra slip pocket, and the Coach story tag on the inside. Lovely gold hardware. We have the crossbody strap that is adjustable. I believe there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 adjustable holes to choose from. And then we have the 2 buckles that secure the strap in place. Let's see. The word Coach is also engraved on the buckle. And yes, again, this is the signature Jes Crossbody in the color khaki and saddle. This is very cute. So again, if you are not feeling the Coach Jes Crossbody, the signature crossbody in the black brown, this is definitely another neutral color alternative that you can have, that you can kind of match with pretty much anything. I'm so happy I chose, even though it's looking very wrinkled, I'm very happy that I chose to wear denim today because this is very cute. So let me show you guys just how versatile this bag is. So I know in the last unboxing video I showed you a lot of like travel size items, but if you're a girl who, like myself, sometimes has difficulty paring it back a little bit, scaling it back a little bit, and you just have to carry like the whole makeup case, or you have to carry like the full size lotion, like you just have to, it's in your nature. You're working on it, you know, little by little, step by step, day by day, you're getting better. But for right now, you just have to carry the full size. Let me show you just how versatile this bag can be. So we have compartment number 1. We have the entire makeup bag. We have a comb. We have some sunnies. We have some AirPods. And we have the fluffy keys. Compartment 1 with space to spare. Okay, zip her up. Compartment 2, we have the whole full-size Victoria's Secret lotion. Let's see, make sure, you know what, let me make sure this stays closed. We're going to turn it this way. We have some wet ones. We have a whole notebook. There we go. With space to spare. The bag has not lost its shape. Nothing is like jutting or like sticking out. You still have this bat slip pocket that can fit a phone. We have my old phone here. Stuff that in there. There you have it. Hands free. The perfect crossbody bag. And that concludes today's quick unboxing video. If you would like more details and specs on this bag, make sure you check out my previous unboxing of this bag in another color. The link to that video will also be available in the description box below. Thanks so much again for watching today's video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, click the notification bell to stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. Let me know what you think of this bag in the comments below. Again, I'm your girl Annitra with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect. You have a great day.